Russian Navy frigate and nuclear-powered submarine leave Havana harbor as planned, following a visit viewed as a show of force amid ongoing Ukraine conflict. Analysis suggests no immediate threat, but potential consequences loom. Russian Navy vessels were leaving the Cuban capital, Havana, on Monday as planned. This departure followed the arrival of a Russian Navy frigate and a nuclear-powered submarine in Havana harbor last week. While both the US and Cuba asserted that the visit posed no threat, it was widely interpreted as a Russian show of force amidst the ongoing high tensions over the Ukraine war. Analysts have noted that the presence of these vessels in Havana is not perceived as an immediate threat. However, it is seen as a provocative act that may have significant geopolitical consequences. The stopover in Havana comes at a time when the conflict in Ukraine has strained relations between Russia and Western nations, leading to heightened global tensions. The implications of this naval maneuver are yet to be fully understood, but the international community is closely monitoring the situation. As the vessels leave Havana, the world watches to see what repercussions, if any, will unfold from this display of military presence. By addressing this event, we gain insights into the broader strategies at play in the current geopolitical landscape. The presence and subsequent departure of Russian naval forces from Cuba serve as a reminder of the intricate balance of power and the ongoing chess game between nations on the global stage. To watch international news, please subscribe to our channel. You are watching SD24 News English. I am Yusra Parveen.